Hello friends, welcome to Photoshop Tips and Tricks. Let me show you how to easy change the car in Photoshop. At first select the background layer. Then go to Select and choose Subject. OK, our object selected. Select Lasso tool and add the shadow to your selection. This is OK. Go to Select, Modify, and choose Expand. Expand by 20 pixels, and click OK. This is OK. Go to Edit, and choose Fill. Select Content Aware from the list. Then click OK. OK, this is completely removed. Now select the second layer, select Move tool, then drag and place here. Press Ctrl T, and rotate a little to fix the size and position. Now go to Select, and choose Subject. OK, this is selected. Select Lasso tool, and zoom in this area to fix all the edges. Now press Ctrl J to make a copy. Select this layer, and change the mode to multiply. Then click on Adjustments, and add a level. Click this to clip the layer. Then drag this slider to adjust the lights and shadows. It looks good. Increase a little the shadow, and come back to Layer panel. This is the shadow, and Object. Now to fix the shadow color, select this layer, then click on Adjustments, and add Hue Saturation. Clip the layer, and decrease the saturation to look better in realistic shadows. Come back to Layer panel. Now let me to bring the original image. And this is the final result. Hope you liked it. If it was useful, please follow for more educational and effective videos. Thanks for watching.